Hello, it's Hannah and welcome to the New Build Show. I'm here to show you this gorgeous house in Bury, which is 30 minutes away from Manchester, priced at £725,000. So let's have a look. So here we are in this exclusive small development, which was built by a local family-run developer. We are here to see the Entwistle, number 2 Bentley Gardens. It's a 4-bedroom house. It comes with a detached garage, EV charging point, and enough space for a couple of cars here on the driveway. So with that, let's head inside. In you come. There we go. Welcome, welcome. And this is the kind of welcome that you want after a grey day like that, isn't it? Lovely, light, fresh and airy. And for a new build, that's pretty good, isn't it? Look at that space. Brilliant. Double height ceiling up here as well. Really nice ceilings. Opens that space up. We've got a handcrafted, bespoke, turning staircase here. Real feature point there. Giving me a bit of Art Deco with nice chic glass as well. Again, opens that space up. It's cold outside. You don't have to worry about that in here. No. We have got underfloor heating throughout the whole ground floor underneath this beautiful herringbone style tile oak flooring. Right, I can see all the way to the back of the property and to the garden through those black style crittle doors. So let's go and check out the main living area, shall we? Honey, I'm home. Okay, so it is a new build, which means, because everyone wants one now, an open plan living, dining, kitchen. Nicely zoned out, a Stuart Fraser kitchen. Yes, a very high-end luxury kitchen company. And I have to say, look at the size of this. I'll just use myself as a measure now. Pretty big, isn't it? Really nice. A very social room, you know? I mean, the fact that the hob has been positioned in the island means that the chef still converse, have a glass of wine, be doing all of this as well. Really like that. And storage-wise, you spoil. You are spoiled. There's absolutely loads. We've got integrated appliances, which, my favourite, it'll come as no surprise. Wine cooler. Look at that. I do think if I have a wine cooler one day, I've made it in life. I've made it. It can even be just a slither of one, but I've got a wine fridge. And it's by Neff, but we have practical storage all the way around. The developer was very keen to create a luxurious space, but practical and functional as well. This is a family home, of course. Speaking of storage, let's have a little rummage, shall we? Let's see what we've got. Storage, dishwasher, big dishwasher, more storage. Oh, look at one of life's small pleasures, a soft close, very nice. 2 Neff ovens. It's a busy household. There's 4 bedrooms, so a lot of cooking probably. We've got an integrated fridge, an integrated freezer. I mean, this is a really contemporary and sleek kitchen. You know, we've got handleless cupboards, this beautiful quartz worktop with these clean lines everywhere, nice stainless steel sink, but it still feels lived in. You know, it doesn't feel sterile or clinical. Now, while you're keeping this looking lovely and decluttered and beautiful, over to my left is the utility room where you don't have to worry so much. This utility, plenty of space for your washer, your dryer. You're probably going to be doing your laundry in here, but I'd be putting kettle, toaster, anything that's a bit mucky that you can just close the door on. Goodbye. Oh, and I've just adopted a cat, and that, pulling at the old heartstrings, that. Oh, it's a family home, dogs and cats running everywhere. So leaving the kitchen into your dining area. I love this because it just makes it a lot easier for the whole family to get together, dinner every night. No excuses now, because with a dining room, I don't know, you only ever use them for like Christmas, special occasions. It's a wasted room. Here, Everybody's getting together. I love that. And we've got this stunning light fixture. I should say all the lights in this property are unbelievable, but that is probably one of my favourites. And it mirrors all of the beautiful LED hidden lighting that we had in the kitchen as well. Lovely. However, for alfresco dining, you have really easy access through this run of 5 bifold doors out onto your garden. Plenty of patio space for a dining table, barbecue, but you do have some nice lawn there as well for the kids to run around in. And you've still got lots of LED lighting hidden as well there. Nice ambience. You're not overlooked at all. No neighbours in sight, just lovely trees. And speaking of that, the countryside is literally on your doorstep. Loads of great walks nearby. Time to get cosy. Oh, this is a lovely little snug area, isn't it? Just imagine myself lounging here. The rest of the family's doing their own thing. Hey, I'm watching TV, chilling out with a coffee. This is really lovely to have this space here. Dedicated media wall. And we haven't even spoken about the tones yet. Very warm, neutral tones, the use of raw materials. We've got these wooden slats here. Nice little alcoves for a bit of display. More of that hidden LED lighting. And of course, that fire. The use of mirrors in this place as well is amazing. It's just flooding all of that natural light back into the room, creates this sense of it being bigger than it actually is. Really, really nice. I mean, the good thing about this property, you've got one snug, you've also got a main living room, which I think is where we're going to go next. Hello, elegance. You called? This is sophisticated, isn't it? Oh, I felt that. Carpet. Very nice. Oh, cozy as well. Oh yeah. I can imagine here on a winter night. It is definitely candle season. I can't be the only one who's stocked up, getting ready, cozy nights in. That, I could be wrong, unnecessarily big. My diffuser game then is clearly off because I haven't got one of those. It smells delicious in here. Oh yeah. Well, we've got room for a massive corner sofa here. This is nice. My mum would love this. You're nice and upright, feet on the floor. Usually we are way back. This way I can... Oh my goodness. Sorry. What was I thinking? I just can't decide about these shoes. I'm sorry, this is way off topic, but look at the state of me. I can't decide whether I look like a little old lady, cool and hip, or some kind of Victorian... little chimney sweet boy. Cast your votes, people. Cast your votes. Which one am I rocking? Enough of this. Where there's a fire, there's a me. That is delightful. Cute. I'm just trying things out now. Oh, very upright. Okay, nice. Oh, burnt orange. On brand. Very warm in here. We've got these lovely curtains as well, draped all the way to the bottom, and a sort of semi-bay window. Really nice and open. Oh, in the winter they'll be coming across. And then we've got these 2 alcoves, more hidden LED lighting, so nice display cabinets, and of course, your centerpiece, the telly. Back in the hallway. Now, when we do these tours, we really pick up on those tiny details. And I'll tell you what, these guys, the attention to detail is second to none. The craftsmanship, everything from the light switches to the finish on the paint, just the quality of the work that's gone into it and the thought process behind it. So for instance, this, that could have just been left either empty, or sometimes people, if it's big enough, put a chair under there. Probably not going to read under there, are you? We need storage, don't we? And look, a little press and a pull, and we have storage. There and there. Oh, I love that. So handy. And then across here, we have our downstairs WC. Lovely and light. Oh, love these very tactile tiles here. And with these gold finishes, there's one bougie downstairs WC. Now, we've got one more room down on this ground floor. Every time I come into this hallway, this is the kind of house where you look forward to coming home. You're just like, long day of work, can't wait to walk in, breath of fresh air. But if you work from home, then this next room is perfect for you. How nice to have a dedicated space for you to work in. So whether you need to jump on a Zoom call or the kids want to come and do their homework, it's nice that it's separated from the rest of the house. Nice and quiet and calming in here. We've got carpet, views out across the driveway. You've got wall paneling, beautiful colours, and a dedicated feature wall for either display or storage. But this could be anything you want it to be. Maybe a snug or a playroom. Now, the developers did have their own interior designer called the Design House, and this house was nominated for Show Home of the Year by Show House magazine. Drink if I said show or house. The tipple of choice is up to you. Now, if you don't mind, I've got some serious work to get on with. You join me up here on the first floor. Cardigans come off, slippers have gone on. It's time to look at the bedrooms. We got 4 of them. Behind me is the principal suite. We're leaving that last. But this is a great position to appreciate the double height ceiling and that incredible light fixture. Wow. Okay, the nursery is calling me. It's so cute. I'll meet you there. Oh, yeah, well, this has obviously been set up as the kids' room and very cute, isn't it? I'm loving the bunk bed. If only I'd had one of those when I was little. I mean, it is kind of made for me, this room, actually, size-wise. But, you know, it's a great space for a kid to grow into, isn't it? There's plenty of space for a double bed, but for now, that has been taken up by the workstation. Okay, back into the hallway. Now, I mentioned them growing up and getting a bit older, and when they do turn into teenagers, I think this would be the room for them. This is a bit cooler in here, isn't it? I really like that feature wallpaper. It's this rugged landscape. Yeah, so we've got darker tones in here, feels a bit more mature, plenty of room for all of your stuff, and you've got views out over the garden. Nice. Now, this is the family bathroom that the last 2 bedrooms would share, and I would be okay with it. This is a little bit sexy, isn't it? A little bit luxurious in here. They've gone to town with the gold, and why not? We've got gold towel rail, gold fixtures and fittings, gold trim, gold taps. Oh, I love that. And then the tiles, these are great, really tactile. And I've never seen hidden LED lighting that's recessed in a bathroom before, but it creates this lovely spotlight and also enhances these great textured tiles. This mirror, didn't I tell you the mirrors were good here? This is Bluetooth connected, a demister and backlit. This we've named Principal Suite 2.0. It's a bit smaller than the main one, but it's still pretty good. You know, big, nice bed. We've got fitted wardrobes. And look at this headboard. Draws your eye up to the ceiling and makes you feel like you're in a luxury hotel, as does all of these pillows. You guys know my feelings on too many pillows. They look great. I'm not denying that. I'm not doing that every night. No, I'm not doing that every night. Gosh, yeah, no. 2 for me. 2 for me is fine. Now, you'll probably notice the lack of a shower screen. That's because they want you to decide. The developers said people have different thoughts on screens or shower curtains, so you can choose your own. There you go. It's not going to get flooded. Don't worry. I really like the matte black, actually, on the floor. And we've got that matte texture over here. Nice juxtaposition with this wood slatted wall. Well, we have saved the best till last, the principal suite. Just to give you an idea of the size of this room, this is a king-size bed. We've got this beautiful headboard that stretches the width of it and beyond, and these nice little reading lights here. I feel very relaxed in here. It's lovely and warm. The developer was very keen to make this property sustainable and energy efficient. So we've got things like triple glazing, solar panels, which have really reduced those monthly bills, and they were very keen on using local suppliers and contractors. So thumbs up from me for all of that. Okay, so let's just pop around here. We've got the ensuite and dressing area. Plenty of space. I'm really glad to see that they've thought about that. So not a problem when it comes to putting away all of your clothes, your bags and your shoes. Sorted. And then of course through here into your lavish and gold ensuite. Shower screen still to come. Well, thank you very much for watching today's show. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know any of your favourite bits, but for more information about the property, you can check out the description below. And to see more homes, brand new homes from around the UK, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you soon.
Hey New Build Show, I'm Millie and today we're in South East London exploring Berkeley Group's signature collection at Kidbrooke Village. Let's head downstairs and start this tour outside.